Hey, yo, what's up? Welcome to my channel. This is Danny, and I want to talk to you about the top 5 reasons you can't lose weight. Number 1, you give up too goddamn easy. Stop giving up so fucking easy. You know what I'm saying? You got to get up off your ass, get out there and let them motherfuckers know you in motherfucking charge. You know what I'm saying? Stop giving up so motherfucking easy, man. Number 2, you want something for nothing. Why do you want something for nothing? I don't know. It's like you want to put in an application at a job, but you say, nah, I don't want to put in an application at that job because they work you too hard or whatever. But hey, let me go over there and see if they're giving away free paychecks. That ain't how you do it, man. Number 3, you lose control. Yes, you lose control. You lose control of who you are, your self-esteem, the person you become, and you just quit. You know, you just lose control. You can't fucking control yourself, man. Learn to control yourself. Use your mind, because you was given this mind. This is the most precious thing on earth that you have. Use it. Okay. Number 4, things are not moving fast enough. Like, you got these guys, you know, I see them all the time. They go get gym memberships and they pop up in the gym. And when they go in the gym, they pop up and then, you know, you might see them maybe a week, 3-4 days. You might see them 2 weeks, maybe even see them a month. Then you won't see them no more. One or two things happen. They gave up, or they just couldn't afford their membership, or they just gave up and said, and they made an excuse and said, I don't want to pay that. That's too high. I can do this for free, you know. And that's just what people do. Don't be the person that do that. Commit. Persistence. You got to have persistence. You got to have consistency. Nothing beats a failure but to try. Okay, number 5, you a pig. You like to fucking eat. You can't stop fucking eating, man. You just want to eat, and when you work out, you want to eat. You want to make an excuse and say, hey, I got to have something in my stomach before I go work out because that burns fat. Yeah, I was looking at this thing on YouTube, and they told me I could eat a whole Snicker before I go in the goddamn gym. That's not true, man. Burn what you have in you the next morning that you ate the next day, but watch what you eat. And those are my top 5 reasons. Boom.